Hello traders. In the previous video, we shared Little Crazy's Expert Advisor for free. If you want to try it, you can visit the website that I have made at trada.com. On the MQL5 Expert Advisor site, it is sold at a very expensive price. And in this video I will show you the results of trading for 1 month using the Little Crazy Expert Advisor. Don't skip this video so you can get complete information. In this video I will explain trading results from the developer, trading results from HG Trade. If you are a new viewer, I suggest you subscribe to this channel and get a premium expert advisor for free every time I upload a video. And for viewers who have subscribed, I thank you very much for your support. Your support means a lot to me. Trading results from the developer. I opened the MQL5.com site to see the trading results from the Little Crazy developer. The capital used is $200 and has received a profit of 1,043.58%. Here the result of trading looks quite good even though the drawdown is more than 50%. Profit trades 80.3% and loss trades 19.7%. You can see here the total profit every month from 2021 to December 2022. The total profit generated is 1,043.8%. With a prefix balance of $200. So far, the accumulated balance is $2,612.27. Okay, like this drawdown graph. Seen 3 times experienced a drawdown of up to 50%. For detailed trading history, you can pay attention to information from statistics. Profit trades 80.29%. With profit factor 4.49. And maximum consecutive losses of 4 transactions. That pair carried out a 3 pair. New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar, Australian dollar to Canadian dollar and Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar. Trading results from HG Trade. Okay, I will show you the results of trading observations using the Little Crazy Expert Advisor that I have been running for 1 month. As recommended, I only used 3 pairs. Modal early which I use is $1,000 for 3 pairs. There are no specific settings that need to be set here. The settings are just like this. I have linked my trading account with mifxbook.com. For how to connect a trading account with mifxbook.com I have also made a video. You can check this channel if you are interested. $1,000 initial deposit. The gain obtained is plus 11.24%. The drawdown that has been experienced is 40.42%. Estimated average income from 0.29% and monthly 9.53%. The growth chart for growth is like this. There was equity minus but in the end it returned to the original chart. For your balance growth also let me pay attention to this graph. And the profit generated was $112.41 from a capital of $1,000 and a drawdown of 40.42%. Advanced statistics. Total trading for 1 month amounted to 28 transactions. 71% win and 29% lose. Profit factor 2.58. Summary of 3 pairs. The best is Australian dollar to Canadian dollar, then New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar, and the third is Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar. This is based on the total profit generated. Profit and loss information based on hours like this. The resulting trading duration from open to close is quite long. There is 1 day, 19 days, 20 days. I'll try short first. The fastest trading duration is 18 hours 45 minutes. And the longest ever reached 20 days. I will see the results on the Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar pair trading chart. You can pay attention to open transactions and close transactions. Trades carried out including long-term. Trading starts from November 23, 2022 until now, December 25, 2022. Or about 1 month. Monthly analytics information in November got a profit of $6.53 and December 4th. 43%. Okay, that's the review of trading results using the Little Crazy Expert Advisor for 1 month. With a 40% drawdown, make sure you use ideal capital. And also make sure that before using your real account, try to observe on a demo account or a cent type real account. In this video I also still use a demo account for observation purposes. Finally, I thank you and I wish you success in the world of Forex trading.